Hey guys, what's going on? Hunter here. Today picked up a new little dirt bike project. It is a 96 KTM 360. Thought it'd be a fun little trail bike. Anyways, want to fix it up a little bit. Not put a lot of money into it, just kind of a side bike. Let me turn this around, show you guys what I'm working with here. All right, so picked this little KTM up for 600 bucks. Just got it running last night. All I really had to do was fresh gas, throw in a plug. I haven't really played with it, riding it around too much to see how it's tuned or anything, but anyways, it looks like, yeah, I've got some good meat on these tires here, front and rear. We got a leaky fork seal up front. Again, I'm not an expert with bikes or anything, but thought this would be a fun little just side project fix up here and there. As you can see, yeah, looks like we got some, not only some cracked plastics, but an old graphic kit on here. Definitely peeling a little bit. Overall, not that bad of shape though. Like, it'll be definitely a fun little project. So my plan is here. I just like the getting the OEM colors on a bike, so I thought I'd return this to orange, peel off all these old graphics. I don't know if I can heat these up and get color back out of it. Might have to actually paint them. But anyways, that's where I'm going to start. Pull these plastics off. Primer and paint them if they need it. Try a little heat first, and if that doesn't work, then yeah, of course, paint it. And then I was thinking, of course, I always like the look of black wheels. So pull the tires off and wheels, and then sand them down really good. And paint them probably with a high heat paint, multiple coats, so it actually lasts on there. And I thought this bike would actually wouldn't be too bad. Maybe throw some hand guards on there too. But all right, guys, I'm gonna get started on this thing. Stay tuned with me, and we'll see how we can get this old KTM to look. Get back a little, you can see the whole bike there. Not bad by any means, but let's give it a new look. Let's get into it. All right, so I tried applying a little bit of heat to these fenders. I know it's not completely stripped off yet, but I just want to see what kind of orange color I could get out of them with a little bit of heat from the heat gun. And, well, it's not the orange I was hoping for. I want that bright KTM orange on this thing, so I think we're going to do a little bit of paint. With this, I might actually tape it off, use Dremel, cut it down, create kind of a triangle fender in here, and why not, if it's just going to be a trail bike, to, you know, kind of make my own fender. And I believe a pair of these rear fenders, from what I was seeing online, about 40-50 bucks, so not too bad. But yeah, I'll just use what I have, and we'll see what we can make this thing into. Already started tearing this thing apart, and then we're going to strip the fenders and stay on it. Whew, this takes a while, and making a mess, but got the front one mostly done for the most part. It's a little rough, so we'll probably sand it up a little afterwards, and we'll actually take it off here in a second, but leaving it on since I don't have a vise here in my garage. And look at that mess. But yeah, I'm just using a razor, getting these old crusty graphics off, and seeing what I can do with these plastics. And it's taken a long time, starting there, halfway point, and then going to there. But gonna keep at it, and I'll start this back up when I get these hopefully stripped off, and then we'll do some sanding and go from there on the plastic part. right. So the bike is kind of partly tore down. Got all the plastics off, and here is our broken piece. Drew a line where we're going to cut it with the Dremel, and kind of make our own unique custom piece to fit on this side. See what that looks like. May look horrible, who knows, but getting through it. Think it's going to look good in the end. Good enough. Alright guys, and this is how she turned out. So I went with of course, painted the plastics all orange, wheels black, put some hand guards on, as you probably saw. I still think I'm going to use my vinyl cutter over there and make some KTM graphics, but just want to get your guys' initial opinion. Think it turned out good, or if it was a waste of time. All in all, let's see. The handguards, the paint, I'm probably in this thing $30 now. Got the handguards off Amazon. It's just a little bit of time and patience is all it really took. Besides that, I think it turned out pretty good. Just for a kind of a extra bike to have around, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm gonna make some little KTM graphics with my vinyl cutter right here. And besides that, I think it's done and ready to rip and actually test her out a little bit. But let me know what you guys think on this little KTM 360 project in the comment section below. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna keep bringing some more videos out for you guys. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.